Oh. Ciao! Okay, so we're in the process right now of a tsunami warning, and we're waiting to see what's going to happen. This is our faithful manager right here who's dedicated to ride it out to the end.
That's right.
Give him props right there. Give him props right there. So we're not quite sure what's going to happen. We're gonna kind of hanging out right now, waiting. Japan had an 8.9 earthquake earlier this evening. They've issued mandatory evacuations, tsunami warning for the entire state of Hawaii. We're at the apartment complex right now. I have the video camera running, as you can tell. It's about, from where I'm standing, approximately 150 yards to the beach. Our evacuation point is back up the hill this way. Yeah, this is 2 times in 1 year that we've had mandatory tsunami evacuations. As you can see, the people are leaving. People are leaving. So we're just kind of in a holding pattern right now, not quite sure what's going on. Not quite sure. Kind of hanging out. I guess we're supposed to get another update here in just a little bit. We do live on the 2nd floor, right up there. So I'm hoping. We haven't decided if we're going to evacuate yet, which could be the absolute dumbest thing you'll ever hear me say. Or for those of you that know me, maybe the second dumbest thing you'll ever hear me say. So, just kind of hanging out right now. We're waiting for the next update. I guess when the wave hits midway, they're talking, we should have a better idea of what's going to happen here. Better idea. So this is probably the quietest you're ever gonna see Sunset Terrace, which is where we live. So I don't know if you can see the road down there. The beach is about another 100 yards past that road. So just kind of chilling right now. Hanging out with the manager, Steve. We haven't decided if we're leaving yet. I'm surprised that we haven't got the next siren warning yet. I just don't know, people. Just don't know. We had one of these last year when we moved in, and it ended up to be nothing. So kind of in the same boat here, although they're already saying that this one's expected to be considerably worse. They've had the sirens going off all night since about 10 o'clock. And there we go. This is what you live through when you live in paradise. Don't know if y'all can hear that. That is the air raid siren that they used for World War II that is now part of the Pacific Tsunami warning system. And it is loud as crap. That siren will continue for about 2 or 3 minutes. And I will tell you that if you've never heard one in person, it will scare the bejesus out of you. A couple more people on the evac. As you can hear, the siren is still going very strong. There is still a few people cruising around up there on the 3rd floor. There's Pam. Hi, Pam. Yeah, that's about just as loud and obnoxious as you can get. Hey, for those of you that know, this is how we do Maui. As you can tell, the siren is still going off. And that would be the end of the siren, the wind down. Expect another siren in about another 45 to 50 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and shut the camera down here for a minute.